We've just completed glazing work to Higham Academy North in Nuneaton for BAM Construction. This project marks the most recently completed project for BAM Construction, which was completed on time and to a high quality. The client was delighted with the final result, as were BAM Construction. We were responsible for designing, manufacturing and installing curtain walling, aluminium windows, entrance doors and exit doors on this exciting project, which had a value in excess of £800,000. Dortech used Saint-Gobain glazing throughout the project, in addition to partnering with Technal, our long-term partners, and utilising their glazing systems throughout this project. BAM Construction's site team prided themselves on delivering the project right first time, on time, every time, safely and to an exceptionally high quality. It's an extreme pleasure to work with such like-minded main contractors on projects like this, and we're looking forward to working with BAM across their projects well into the future.